When choosing a toilet paper for your business, it's important to compare sustainability, quality, and your cost per month, rather than just the cost per case. Sugarcane toilet roll from fig is a byproduct made from the leftover sugarcane plant after the sugar has been extracted. It feels super soft and it breaks down in just 4 seconds when flushed, helping to prevent blocked drains. We cram a huge amount of paper into each case, reducing the delivery carbon footprint and storage space required. Every case has a huge 24,543 sheets on 27 rolls. Compare this to toilet roll that has 48 rolls with only 200 sheets per roll. It's clear that one case of the fig sugarcane toilet roll has almost 3 times as much paper as one case from other manufacturers. But it gets better. Our super efficient dispensers have feed restrictors inside to prevent roll spinning and reduce usage. Fig dispensers also hold 2 rolls, creating zero waste and saving even more over single roll dispensers, making the fig paper last even longer.
Now, take the price you're paying and multiply that by 5. How does that compare to the cost of a box of fig paper?